Be informed. Be alert. The information you need to know about COVID-19 vaccine. Right here, right now, on THEVAX.
When COVID-19 vaccine became available here in England, I did not think twice to have it. It is really nerve-wracking to be one of the first to have the vaccine, but at the same time I was really excited and thankful because I know as a healthcare worker and a frontliner, it will give me huge protection to fight the virus, and it will be my weapon to save lives. Why did I decide to have the vaccine? Yes, I was tested positive with COVID-19 in April of last year, and I was really poorly then, and I was off sick for a month, and I thought I was not going to survive. So I told to myself, when the opportunity comes to have the vaccine, I will not think twice, I will grab it with both arms. Yes, I definitely recommend the COVID-19 vaccine. With my experience and with my work colleagues' experiences, it is really good. It really did a very good job, and it is worth having it. So please do not think twice if you can have it. Do not think of anything else but just think of saving lives. Stay safe, everyone, and God bless.